One of the biggest reasons people never actually set up Asana properly is because they sit down, open it up, and immediately think, okay, but where do I even start? Like, do I create one project for everything? Separate projects? What do I call them? What tasks go in each one? It's overwhelming before you've even done anything. So, I built a tool that answers all of those questions for you automatically based on your specific business. It's called the Asana Setup Assistant, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and exactly how it's going to help you. Now, setting up Asana sounds simple in theory, right? You sign up, you create some projects, and you start adding tasks. Easy peasy, right? But in practice, it's so much harder than that because the way you set it up really matters. If your workspace isn't structured in a way that actually fits your business and your brain, you'll find yourself constantly reorganizing things, creating duplicate projects, not knowing where to put stuff, and you'll eventually just not use it. And then Asana becomes another tool you paid for and never opened. We don't want that. The thing is, every business and every brain is different. A health coach with 5 private clients and a podcast needs a completely different Asana setup than a VA with 3 retainer clients and a YouTube channel. Generic advice just isn't enough. What you actually need is a setup plan that's built around your business, your services, your team, your content, your workflows, your goals, your brain. And that's exactly what the Asana Setup Assistant gives you. So here's how it works. The Asana Setup Assistant is a standalone tool. You don't have to download anything or have a ChatGPT account or have prompts memorized. All you need to do is open it and fill out a form about your business. It asks about your business type, your services, your team, what content you create, what your current system looks like, what's falling through the cracks, what your goals are, all of it. And then the AI coded with my brain's knowledge takes all of that information and generates a completely custom Asana Workspace plan just for you. Oh, and by the way, you can do this on the free Asana plan too. So I'm talking about recommended teams, projects inside each team, specific tasks to add to each project, and even a prioritized setup order so you know exactly where to start. Because I know your ADHD brains have trouble prioritizing those tasks. So it's including that for you too. And if you happen to own my Asana system templates, it will tell you exactly which template to use for each project and how to customize it specifically for your business. But here's my favorite part. After it generates your plan, it asks if everything feels right. And if something doesn't fit, you just tell it what to change and it refines your plan on the spot as many times as you need until it's perfect. Okay, let me show you exactly what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to do a quick run through of how to use this tool. So basically, you just go through and it's like filling out a form. You answer its questions and then its output will be based on your answers and based on my knowledge when I built the tool. I put all of my knowledge in it that's applicable to this. And it's like having me make these suggestions for you, except without the big price tag, right? So it's really, really, really great. All right. So it starts off with let's get you set up. So first things first, it's asking if you own my templates, my Asana system templates bundle. Because if you do own the templates, it will customize those templates for your unique needs. It'll help you use those templates more in a more optimized way for your specific needs, right? So it'll help you really customize those. And if you don't have the templates, then it will suggest something without using those templates. So you don't need the templates. It's helpful if you do, but you don't need them. So for the purposes of this, I'm going to say not yet so you can see what it looks like if you don't have the templates. So we'll say not yet, and then we'll click next. And then you're gonna tell it a bit about you and your business. So let's say that you are a VA. And then you can describe your business here. So you can just be as simple or as detailed as you want. The more detailed you are, the better answers you're going to get. But for the purposes of this, I'm not going to spend the whole time just typing. So I'm going to be quite brief. So I'll just say I'm a VA offering one-to-one services to health coaches, for example. Okay. And then how long have you been in business? I'm just going to say 1 to 2 years, for example. Your team size, I'm going to say solo. Next, then you're going to tell it about your services and offers. So what services or products do you currently offer? So I'm going to say one to one, I'll say retainer services, for example, and then maybe working on a digital product. Okay. So do you have any digital products or courses? So yes, in development for this example. Are you currently taking on one-on-one clients? Yes, this is my main income. How many clients do you have, or how many do you typically have at once? So I'll just say 4, for example. And how often do you launch new offers? I'll say rarely for this case. Next. So just now it's asking about your content and marketing. So where do you create content? So I'll say Instagram. Are you actively selling emails to your email list? You can just say just starting to build one, for example. And what's your current experience with Asana? Tried it but didn't stick with it. Let's just say, for example, okay, we'll go next. And then it's going to ask you about your current systems and your struggles. So what does your current system look like? So it gives you some examples here. So, we can say, I struggle keeping on top of work, client, also, yeah, client communication happens in Slack and email, for example. I keep files in Google Drive and on my computer. This is just like an example. Okay, so what's falling through the cracks most often? It's difficult to keep track of all my tasks and docs, for example. Okay. What takes up the most mental energy? Trying to stay on top of everything going on. Okay. Do you have documented SOPs? I'll say 1 or 2, but that's it for this example. Go next. And then it wants to know your goals and what's next. So what's the number one thing you want Asana to solve for you? So I want to have a streamlined business where I don't have to worry about missing things. About missing things and feeling overwhelmed. Are you planning to hire anyone in the next 6 months? No plans to hire. Are you planning to launch anything new soon? Yes, I was working on a digital product, right? So probably in the next 6 months, I'll launch that. Anything else you want me to know about your business or setup? You can fill this in with like absolutely anything else that you think would be applicable to your specific setup or business or your needs. Okay. And then I'm going to skip that though for now. And then we'll go build my custom Asana workspace plan. And it's going to, I'll scroll back up here. It's going to take about 20 seconds. And it's amazing. Wait till you see what it spits out. I'm so excited for you to see this. I think this in real time so you can see how quick it actually is. Has it been 20 seconds yet? I should have started a countdown. I feel like it worked faster. Okay, there we go. Okay, so your custom workspace is ready. Yay, here's your personalized Asana setup plan. Review it below. So, it's summing everything up for you. It gives you your recommended like first steps. Like here's 1, 2, 3, what you should do and in what order. Helps you prioritize, which can be extremely helpful if you have ADHD and stuff. And then it goes through your categories one by one. So these will be your teams, and then these will be your projects, and then it recommends key tasks to add as well. And it explains things to you along the way. Okay, so you go through, you read it, like look at how detailed this is. Oh my God, I'm so seriously so excited about this. I hope you are too. Okay, and then it gives you some pro tips down here for your setup. And then if it feels like you are using a lot of the templates and you don't have the templates, it's going to recommend that to you down here and tell you why. And then a really awesome other thing that it does is it asks you if this feels right for your business. Like, if anything doesn't quite fit, if you left something out, if you just want to tweak something, if you want more details on something, you can ask it that here and it will do the output again based on that and give you whatever you're asking for or tweak whatever you're asking for. So it really is like having me working with you, except not me. It's just like my brain in this AI tool, and it's so awesome. Okay. I hope you love it as much as I do. Please let me know what you think of it, and I can't wait for you to try it. Pretty amazing, right? In just a few minutes, you went from having no clue how to set up Asana to having a complete personalized workspace plan with every team, every project, every task laid out specifically for your unique business and your unique brain. And all this without guessing or spending hours on YouTube trying to figure things out on your own. And without having to pay for one-on-one support. You get a plan that's actually built for you from an expert, me, but without having to actually pay for the expert because I've made this so accessible. I'm so excited. And it doesn't matter if you're brand new to Asana or if you've been using it for years, but your account is a total mess. This gives you a clear, organized starting point that actually makes a sense for how your business and brain work. And honestly, the best feedback I've gotten isn't from me talking about it, it's from the people who have actually used it so far. So I had someone DM me after she purchased the Asana Setup Assistant, and she was so blown away by what it generated for her that she went straight back and grabbed some more of my products. That kind of thing makes my whole day, week, month, year, and it tells me the tool is doing exactly what I built it to do. All right, if you want to grab the Asana Setup Assistant, the link is in the description below. And if you also want the done for you Asana templates that the tool recommends, those are in the description too. The Asana System Templates bundle has everything you need to get your entire workspace set up without building anything from scratch. Now, you don't absolutely need both. The assistant works without the templates, but the templates will make it go faster for you because the base is already built out for you. All right, thank you so much for watching. Grab it down below now. One of the biggest reasons people... Oh my God! One of the biggest reasons...